Are you also facing similar problem as seen in the device? Like if you try to open Chrome and search for a website and you always find this problem, such as this site can be reached, try checking the connection, or this website took too long to respond, ERR connection timed out. If you're facing this problem, in this video we'll guide you through to solve this problem easily. What you need to do is go to your Chrome app. Now hold on to the Chrome app for some times and an icon bar will open. Click on that and it will lead you to the app settings. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find storage option. Tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll see app data cache and total storage it has occupied on your device. What you can do is tap on clear cache and also tap on clear data. What this will do is it will clear all the glitches and bugs that are preventing you from loading the screen. Any problem from the Chrome app will be sorted out by doing this. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.